Stop scrolling, this isn't a normal truck, this is the Tesla Cybertruck. Built with ultra-hard stainless steel, it's designed to be nearly bullet-resistant and extremely durable. The Cybertruck is fully electric, offers insane torque, and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Inside, you get a futuristic minimalist cabin with a massive touchscreen and advanced autopilot. With huge towing capacity and zero emissions, this truck mixes power, technology, and the future in one bold design. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels.